Hello traders and welcome back to Newtonfx Academy YouTube channel. And on this video guys, I'm just gonna break down the NAS 100. We did do two previous videos that you guys can check out how I'm trading NAS 100. So everything that I'm giving you in this video today, it's all my perspective of how I'm trading the market. You can have other opinions, but this is my perspective of reading the NAS 100 market, guys. So with no further ado guys, let's jump into it. So what I want to show you guys is that simple things that you guys I think a lot of you guys didn't even recognize before you start trading is that price is repeating himself over and over, right? What I mean about that is, guys, let's start from this side, right? This is on our daily time frame, right? We can see that price was in this bullish momentum to the upside, right? We do have this. Stick with me guys. You guys will be amazed, right? You guys can see we did create this higher low. We did break out of this previous structure, higher high, and we did create this higher high, and there we can come down, break out of this structure, right? Continue to the upside, and there we have a favorite pattern, right? That is what you guys must understand. Capture that photo, right? You guys can see what price did. It did break structure, come to the downside, run to the upside, create some form of an inverted head and shoulders as well. So you guys can see first head, second head, and our favorite pattern, right? And their price starting to break out. But now let's move to our latest charts, guys. Let's move to our latest charts, right? So now you guys can see basically the same structure on the bigger picture, right? Here's our higher low, right? Their price violating the structures continue to the upside right there. And there we can see price come to the downside and break this higher low. The same as here, right? Let's see how it all correlates, right? The same as here. Price did come here with a rally to the downside. As you guys can see there, it did come with a rally to the downside, did create this high. Their price did create this high. Their price creating this formation. And what can you guys see right now? Price starting to create this formation again, guys. So I hope you guys understand and see that formation, how the price is basically correlating with each other and how price is repeating the same patterns over and over. But you just have to open up your eyes, guys. Stop sleeping. The market is showing everything for you guys. You just have to see it, right? So guys, what I can see right now is that price is in that favorite setup that it loves to create, right? Let's just clean this charts, right? Is this pattern, right? I love to see this pattern. It's basically showing us the end of a selling market, right? So what I will do right now is, guys, is that I will wait for price to at least come trading above this area here at 15,300. This is going to be the area where we will see price will come and test this previous highs right here, just up there. Because why, guys, if you scale on to 4 hour time frame, right, we can still see that price is still in this bearish sentiment and we still trading under this area, right? It's still trading under this area. Price breakout retest, right? So the best confirmation and the more clarity will be if price can close above this reason, right? Then we know, okay, now we're going to be longs, right? Now we know we're gonna take long-term longs, right? It's going to be safer, guys. The best way to make money in this market, what I learned during my experience, is by being patient. Let the market shows you what it wants to do. But if you're in a rush, gang, the market will take your money, blow your account, and you will be with no money, right? So that is what I want you guys to understand. Wait for price to showing us. I know a lot of guys was trapped this morning as well. This morning as well, because why price did create this double top. That's a great indication. Let me just make this yellow. That's a great indication, guys. All right, that's a great indication, right? Price did create this double top, right? Double top. There we can see price break out of this area of support, create this impulsive retrace back candle confirmation. Now your first target, if you take shells, will be right here, right? Because right, this is also previous area of uh, support right there. It was resistance breakout, retest, and then continuation to the upside, right? So I want you guys to see this picture here again. Let me just show you something again, what price basically doing over and over. It's repeating himself over and over. Let me just put in this head and shoulders. Where is this tool right now, gang? Oh yeah. Okay, I got this on lock, right? So I want you guys to bear with me right now. What I want going to show you right now, guys, is that you see here, right? It's not going to be perfect. Nothing is perfect. So we can say something like this, right? That is a head and shoulders for us. No, it doesn't look perfect, but hell yeah, I fuck with that. So as you guys could see, we did create this head and shoulders pattern. There's our favorite entry pattern that's showing us that price losing momentum, right? And we can see we have this blast to the upside, right? Price coming to retest it again. So now what we can see here, right? Keep that in mind, is that price is basically doing the same thing, right? Bup, 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 bup. Right? It's basically repeating the cycle over and over. So all we're waiting for is a move like this now. This is the move that we're waiting for some momentum to break out of this highs, guys. We need to wait for that momentum to break out of this highs before we can execute on this Nasdaq long buys, right? Right, guys, once we approach this area here, 15,200, guys, we're gone. We're going to be long time. We're going to be in long time longs, and we will most likely come and test this areas, guys. I hope you guys get it. I hope you guys understand that. We will most likely come and test this highs right here, guys, right? We will most likely come and test this area here at 16,600, right? Easily. If price decided to do and break and giving us that momentum, we can see potential strong momentum to the upside, guys. So this is it for this video, guys, and I hope you guys understand fully what I mean and what did I break down in this video. Because why? As you guys can see, the market is repeating himself over and over and over and over and over again, right? It's repeating himself. It's like a it's like a repeating system, guys. You guys just have to be transparent and see what's going on into the market, guys. So this is it for this videos. I will keep you guys updated tomorrow with another video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to give your boy a like and subscribe and turn on that notification, guys. Peace out.